Hello friends, I am Ritwix and you are watching the channel Learning is Fun with Ritwik. And do you want to make a professional logo for your website or your YouTube channel or for some business? So in this video we will be just looking about how to create a logo, professional logo for our channels, business and sites. So now let's begin. So go to a link called designhill.com/tools/logo maker. So after you come on that page, you have to sign up on that, and when you sign up, so like this comes. So when you sign up or log in, this would not come, because when I signed in, first when I opened the link, this came, but after that when I signed in, a new page came. So what you have to do, that in the new page, just scroll down in the bottom and you will get tools and go click on that logo maker. So it will it will take you to a new page. So after that, this page will come and you have to type your company name. It means if you have a channel on YouTube, you type that, or if you have a company, industry, you type the company's or industry's name, or website, you can type that. So what I will do is, I will type my channel name. So I will type here Learning is Fun with Ritwik. After that, click on this generate logos. So after that, it will just redirect you. Now in this, you have to pick 5 or more design styles you like. So you can choose 6 to 7. That's enough for taking, because after that it confuses a lot, because there are many nice logos it gives. So it's really confusing to that which to select. And I want to tell you that this logo for YouTube channel and Google account, I have just taken it from here only. So now you have to choose 5 or more designs. So I will take here 1, 2, and this 3. You have to choose, minimum is 5 you have to choose. So after that, 4, 5. So I will choose only 5. If you have to choose 6 more, you can choose, but I recommend you that you only choose 5. So after that, you have to pick 3 colors. Only 3 colors you have to pick in this. So I will pick here, and when you just hover over any color, it shows something: trust, loyalty, wisdom, brilliance, confidence, faith, like that, all things. So you can choose any of that. So I have chosen here blue, green and yellow. So I will now click on continue, and now it will ask you for something and something. So first it ask your company name or that YouTube channel name or that all things. So it's already given here, my YouTube channel name, learning is fun with Ritvik. And after that, slogan, if you want to type a slogan, you can type. You can type short logos, but I like this slogan, so you have to type that. You can also type a short logan which you like. So now select industries, their accounting and financial, abstract, agriculture, animals or pets. So you can choose any of there are many. For YouTube, education is also there, but I will choose here YouTube. Now budget, I recommend you to just select the 10,000 one. Now from here on I will tell you the trick that how to take it for free, the logo for free, not to pay anything. So after that, click on that continue. So search and add up symbols up to 5. So now in this you can choose any of that, photos, YouTube clip, videos. There are many things that you can choose. I choose this online video. You can choose up to 5. You can choose in here that are given, you can choose any of that. And here I choose this one. So I have choose 5. Now just click on continue, because you can't select more than 5. Now it will just show you many logos. It is loading. So now you can see that it has given us many logos, very nice and interesting. So here I would choose is many are there, so you can choose and load more logos. When you click on load more logos, it will create more logos for you. So it has created many logos. So here I will choose this one. Just click on that edit logo. here what you have to do is like here. Now just set like this your image when after edit image. So now what you have to do is in the keyboard you can see that in the upper keyboard buttons there will be one of the keyboard buttons, print screen. So just click on that print screen and then minimize your window and just open paint. So it comes in your windows. So here now just in the keyboard now just click Ctrl plus V. When you click on Ctrl plus V, this screens appear. After that, now what you have to do is select here. You can see select rectangular section, and here you can choose a rectangular selection. So I would like to do here till this. No. Okay, I have chosen till here, so it would be nice. So after that just click on crop, and now you can see it has cropped the picture. And one more time I will do this. So done, and then again crop. So after that, when you have done this, it asks the YouTube, if you are doing for YouTube, it asks you for 150 into 150 like that. So what you have to now do is just go click on resize, and in pixels what you have to do is here one checkbox option comes that maintain aspect ratio. Just uncheck it, and after that just type here 150 into 150. 150 done. After that click on OK. So now you can see this has been done. So after that what you have to do is save. This option appears here, so it will open for the saving. So now it's so after that just do here, type the name which you want. So you can type your name. I will type here logo 1. So save now. It will be saved in your downloads option. If you in any you can this PC or anywhere you can save it. So after that it will take a moment. After it has done, then go to your channel videos, or you can open your file explorer. So I will just open it, and then we will view that how it looks, because I will not change. File Explorer. So as you can see here in the quick access, on the top it is showing me logo 1. So I will just double click on it and open, and I will show you how it looks. So it will open in a moment. Okay, by the way, it's not opening, so but as you can see, it was very nice. So what I will do is I will go in my Chrome browser to show you how it looks in the YouTube channel. So go to settings, and the setting will open, and here I think go to your channel, and here in branding, now here my logo is something which I have made it earlier, so I will replace it. And here I will open this logo 1, and after that it will be done in a moment. So now you can see that it has done our logo creating. It has set up our logo. So I will show you where. I'll show you here. You can see here it has done. So what now? Just click on here save. So after that it has saved our setting. So now I will open a video. I will open any one of my videos. So now you can. Hello friends. Now you can see that here it has created our logo and it has set up. So I think it helped you a lot. This video will be helping you a lot. So please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Bye.